Are you sick of wasting hours writing your Etsy titles, tags, and descriptions by hand? I used to spend half of my day trying to figure out which keywords to use until I started letting AI do it for me. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Vision AI from MyDesigns to optimize my titles, tags, and descriptions in just seconds. So let's jump right in. I'm now over on MyDesigns, and if you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once you get logged in, navigate to the Listings tab where I'm located. From here, you need to create a collection or a folder that stores your designs, and you can do that by clicking this home button at the top next to Listings, and then you just click Add Folder. As you can see, I'm already in a collection called Etsy SEO video. So from here, we need to get some designs uploaded that we're actually going to have Vision AI do the SEO for us on. So I'm going to go to the top right corner here and click Upload, Upload Files. And then I'm just going to drag and drop from a second monitor 10 different camping designs that we're going to work with. So now I'm just going to click Upload All and Upload Designs. All right, so I'll switch to a grid view here just so you can see these are all of the designs that we're working with. So all we have to do at this point is simply select all of these listings. So now you can see 10 out of 10 are selected. We're then going to navigate to this left panel of tools, and we're going to select this eye icon called Vision AI. Now I'll kind of explain how all of this works. The input file slot is basically the image that we're giving the AI to scan. And then the product type we're going to leave for this example as a t-shirt. We're going to assume we're selling these on t-shirts. The platform's Etsy. We'll leave it on our recommended model. And then this is just saying we want it to generate title, description, and tags. Now we can also include product features here. So let's say we were selling a Bella 3001, which is a very common t-shirt. We'll just simply select it there. That is going to now include our product features in the description at the very bottom. I also like to include custom instructions, as I feel like that this gives the AI a little bit more to go off of, so it's not just scanning the image. So I would just say something along the lines of, this is being sold as a t-shirt. Please include this in the data. Now, for this example, we don't really need much custom instructions. As you can see on product type, we told it was a t-shirt, but we'll just do it anyways. We're going to leave the writing mode as overwrite. There's no data in here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So all we have to do now is just click Generate Listing Data, and yes, run Vision AI. Great, and that took about 10 seconds to finish all of this SEO work for all 10 of these listings. So I want to just kind of scroll through here and give you guys an idea of how well this works. We'll kind of go through this first listing as well. So this design says always take the scenic route. And then the title says Scenic Route T-shirt, Mountain Adventure Tee, Nature Lover Shirt, Hiking T-shirt, Explore Outdoors, Adventure Gift, Travel Shirt, Wanderlust. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job. What I always tell people with Vision AI is it gets you about 85 to 90% of the way there. All we really need to do is go through this, change out a few keywords, do a little more research, maybe add a few more. For this example, I might just remove Wanderlust since it's just kind of at the end, and I bet it doesn't get a bunch of searches. So that's just one example, but I will just scroll down here so you can get an idea of how easy it is to get most of your SEO work done with Vision AI and MyDesigns. Now there's one other way that you can access this data. Obviously you could just copy paste it if you want. You can publish through MyDesigns and this will all just be included in your listings, or you can just go over to export and then you can export this data as an XLSX or a CSV spreadsheet. So that's how I automate my Etsy SEO using AI. From titles to tags and descriptions, it's all written and optimized in seconds. It's the easiest way to rank faster, sell more, and finally focus on what's important, which is growing your business. No more SEO headaches. Let AI handle it, and you just watch your Etsy listings take off.